So last year, guys, I manifested my dream home. This place is absolutely amazing. And I used a lot of the manifesting techniques that I teach in order to get it. And so in this video, I'm going to share a meditation, a visualization that you can use to manifest your dream home. Are you ready to do this? All right. Hello, powerful manifestors. Welcome to my channel. I'm Victoria Gallagher, Law of Attraction Hypnotist and #1 best-selling author of Practical Law of Attraction. And I'm here to help you tap into the power of your mind, align yourself with the manifesting conditions, and successfully attract your dreams, your goals, and a life you love. So be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon to be notified about all my new videos. And if you want to get your hands on over 500 manifesting meditations, then be sure to download my HypnoCloud app. The link is in the comments for some amazing meditations and hypnosis sessions. All right. So before we start this meditation, I want you to really set your intention and write in the comments, I am now manifesting my dream home. Go ahead and write that in the comments. I am now manifesting my dream home. That's how you're going to set your intention. Ready? Let's begin. Go ahead and sit or lay down in a comfortable position. Take in a deep breath and close your eyes and exhale. Relax your whole body from head to feet. That's right. Taking a deep breath in, and this time allow the breath to come into your body through your feet, working its way all the way up to the top of your head. And exhale. Expel all the air from your lungs. And now I want you to say these words. I am now manifesting the perfect home for me. And just allow yourself, with every word I say, to go deeper and deeper relaxed. This place is beautiful. Just hear your own words echoing my words over and over as I say them. Just listen to these words and repeat these words. And if you have an image of the perfect home in mind already, you can just go ahead and bring that image up now. Just allow that image of your perfect dream home to come to mind. Or you can allow it to naturally be created as we go through this process. Just focusing on these words, the images that come to your mind, and the feelings that those images bring about as much as you possibly can. My home is in the perfect location. And it's coming available to me at just the right time. This place has just the right amount of space. This place is just the right size. It has all the right features that I've ever wanted. Notice the yard in front of the house. And notice yourself now in the back of the house. And what's back there? So you're just on the outside of the house right now. And now switch to a scene where you're in your car and you're pulling up into the driveway, into this wonderful, beautiful neighborhood that you love, the place that's just right for your perfect dream home. Seeing all your neighbors who will soon become your friends. These neighbors are kind and friendly and quiet. Now imagine yourself walking through your front door, standing in the foyer. Take a look to your left. Take a look to your right. Take a look out in front of you. Really take in the space. This place has just the right amount of bedrooms. How many square feet is your ideal home? Now you come to the kitchen, which is just the right size. Has all the right appliances. And as you walk through this beautiful dream home, notice how the lighting is just right. It's perfect. All of the cabinetry in the kitchen and the bathrooms and the laundry, just right. Take a look at the flooring. It's exactly the way you've always wanted it. All of the colors, everywhere. It just makes you feel so good. It's in great shape. It even smells good. You can just take in the smell, the newness. Just say, "This is just my style. I love it here." It has amazing bathrooms and a place to entertain. This is a wonderful home. I love it here. Thank you. Thank you. You hear yourself saying, "Thank you for this beautiful, cozy home. Thank you for providing me and my family with a safe and comfortable place to live. This home is just right for me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you." It's on its way to me now. The right opportunity is finding me now. The timing is just right. The financing is just right. The transaction is smooth and easy. I love my new home. I love living here. I'm excited to finally move in and live here. I'm allowing this perfect place to find me now. Everything is lining up in just the right way and in just the right time. The price is right. The money is available. I'm at the right place at the right time, and it's all just right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Take a deep breath and open your eyes when you are ready. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and I am so excited to hear about you manifesting your dream home. Be sure to leave a comment and tell the universe how thankful you are and ready for this to happen, and that will help speed things up as well, because writing is so very powerful. Be sure to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel for more amazing manifesting videos, and be sure to download my HypnoCloud app for some amazing law of attraction and manifesting self-hypnosis sessions. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.